Welcome to Piano with Danielle. In this series of videos, I will be explaining about all elements of musical theory. I will be following the Associated Board of the Royal Schools of Music's graded music theory and practice workbooks, but these are just a guide and these videos can be used for general theory questions. In this session, I'm going to be talking about bar lines and time signatures. All music has a beat, from soldiers marching to disco dancing. We often think of them in smaller groups, and some beats can be stronger than others. Let's take a look at this group of notes and numbers. At the beginning, you will note there are two numbers. In this instance, a 2 sitting on top of a 4. This is called a time signature. The top number tells us how many beats to count in a bar. In this case, we are counting 2. The bottom number tells us the type of beat we are counting. A 4 indicates that we're counting crotchet or quarter beats. This is because there are 4 crotchets in our semi-breve. Now we have established that we're counting 2 crotchet beats, we must look at the groupings of the notes. You will notice these lines in between each group. These are called bar lines, and each bar contains 2 beats. Let's look at each bar. We've got 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1, 2. Notice that I don't say 1, 1 for the first bar, but 1, 2. This is because I need to get to the total of my 2 beats by the end of every bar. For my minim note in bars 3 and 4, I don't just say 2, I say 1, 2, as the note is worth 2 counts. At the end, you will notice 2 vertical lines. This is called the double bar line and indicates that the music has finished. So let's look at some more time signatures and revise. Here we have 2-4, 3-4 and 4-4. The top number tells us how many beats are in a bar, and the bottom number tells us the type of beat we are counting. So here we have 2 crotchet beats in a bar, 3 crotchet beats in a bar, and 4 crotchet beats in a bar. Sometimes you may come across this symbol. It's called common time, and it means exactly the same and is equal to 4 crotchet beats in a bar, or 4-4. Now, here is an exercise where we need to identify the note value that is missing, indicated by the asterisk above the rhythm. If I look at the time signature, I can see that I need a total of 2 crotchet beats in every bar. If I look at the first bar, I can see I already have 1 count. In the second bar, I have half a count and another 1 count. And in my third bar, I already have 2 counts. So this bar is complete. Let's go back to the first bar now. In order to make this bar complete, I need to add another 1 count note, like so. In bar 2, I already have half a count and 1 count, making a total of 1.5 counts. So I need to add another half a count or another quaver, like so, to make the bar complete and add up to 2. This now makes all bars correct. Now, let's look at this next example. I need to add a time signature at the beginning of the music. Let's look at my beats. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. I can see that by doing this exercise that I have 4 crotchet beats in every bar, and therefore my time signature should be 4-4. That concludes our session on bar lines and time signatures. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel where you will find various other videos to help you on your musical journey. Thank you.